My name is Arry Sakti Permana. I'm from study program Geography Information Science 2020, class 1A from Indonesian Education University. Here, I will explain or describe a material about the structure of the Earth layer and the geomorphic composition of the Earth for an English course. Let's just watching this video.
Structure of the Earth's layer and the geomorphic composition of the Earth. Earth layer. The Earth basically consists of 4 layers, namely the crust, mantle, outer core, and the inner core. The outermost layer, namely the Earth's crust, is home to living things. Under it, there is a mantle that protects the Earth's core. Finally, the Earth's core, which has a very high temperature and is composed of a mixture of metals. The structure of the Earth's layer consists of the first, namely the lithosphere, or also called the Earth crust. Second, there is the asthenosphere, or also called the mantle. And the third is the outer core of the Earth. The last core is the inner core of the Earth. We just get into the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust, or the lithosphere, is the outer layer of the Earth, which is divided into 2 categories, namely oceanic crust and continental crust. The main ingredient of the Earth's crust is magma. Magma is an incandescent molten rock that has a high temperature and contains various mineral and gaseous elements. Lithosphere of the Earth is divided into 8 large plates and about 24 small plates, which move above the asthenosphere layer. These 8 large plates are the African plate, the Antarctic plate, the Indian-Australian plate, plate Eurasia, the Pacific plate, North American plate, South American plate, and the last plate Nazca. Next, the mantle of the Earth, or the top of the asthenosphere, or the Earth's envelope, is the layer that covers the core of the Earth and is the largest part of the Earth, about 83.2% of the volume and 67.8% of the total mass of the Earth consists of liquid fast material, often spherical. The Earth's envelope is called the layer, the asthenosphere. In this layer, where the movement of the plates is caused by convection force or energy from geothermal energy. In the upper casing area, magma intrusion will begin to form due to the infiltrating and melting rocks. Earth's core. Earth's core is located from a depth of about 2,900 km from the base of the Earth's crust to the Earth's center. The Earth's core can be separated into the outer core of the Earth and the inner core of the Earth. The boundary point between the Earth's south and the Earth's core, which is marked by a drastic decrease in the velocity of the P wave and the discontinuous S wave. This condition is due to the increase in the density of the material that makes up the Earth's core and the change in its material properties from solid to liquid. The increase in density is due to a change from a silicate material that makes up the Earth's casing to a metal alloy material rich in iron, or Fi, in the Earth's core. Outer core of the Earth. The Earth's core was split into a core of the Earth, inner core of the Earth, and the outer core of the Earth. The outer core of the outer core layer is located at a depth of 2,890 to 5,150 km Earth's surface. Its main constituent element are iron and nickel. The temperature in the outer core is around 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Kelvin. Inner core of Earth. Meanwhile, the inner core layer is at the center and is the hottest part of the planet we live in. This point is located at a depth of 5,150 to 6,370 km below the Earth's surface. The inner core is also composed of iron and nickel, but accompanied by sulfur, carbon, oxygen, silicon, and potassium in a small percent. The temperature inside the inner core can reach 5,500 degrees Kelvin.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope it is useful for everyone. And then see you in the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.